Today I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn certification badge that all of your recipients can proudly share on their social media. If you are running a course, training, or any other certification program, LinkedIn badges can transform your participants into professional brand ambassadors while boosting their career prospects at the same time. Out of 500,000 LinkedIn badges issued via Certifier over the last year, 55% were either added to LinkedIn profile or shared as a post. It means that every second digital badge you issue is more than likely to end up on the social media of your learners and bring you free marketing. So stick around as I'll walk you through how to create a LinkedIn certification badge that will be automatically distributed to all of your recipients and drive brand visibility for your program. Let's start with creating a LinkedIn certification badge that your participants will actually want to display. Head over to certifier.io/badge templates, unfold the themes filter, and select LinkedIn. Here you'll see a collection of templates designed specifically for this use case. As you can see, each badge template comes with clear elements: a space for your logo, the program title, some additional text highlighting the skill or level. In addition to that, you can also choose from different color schemes that can be later on tailored to your branding needs. When picking a design, remember that LinkedIn badges need to stand out in a feed full of text. Look for options that are bold and colorful, and don't worry, you'll be able to adjust the colors to perfectly match your brand. Once you found the design you like, click Edit this template, and after a quick free sign-up, you'll be redirected straight into the Certifier's Design Builder, where you can fully customize your badge. Now, let's tailor this badge specifically for your brand and occasion. All Certifier badges are available in SVG format, which means that every element can be adjusted. You can change the colors, add text, and tweak the layout to make sure the badge design aligns with your visual identity. Let's start the customization by uploading a company logo. It's an important part of your badge design because it ensures that every time the badge is shared on LinkedIn, it reinforces your brand. Next, we move on to editing the text fields, like the course name, training title, or program details, to create a badge that feels truly specific to your certification. For example, let's set this badge title to Project Management Specialist and add a subtitle describing the level, in our case, Advanced. This way, when someone shares their badge on LinkedIn, viewers instantly see the achievement and the level this award represents. Before you send out LinkedIn certification badges to your recipients, make sure you set up all the required LinkedIn settings for effective social media sharing. The first step is to add your LinkedIn company ID. This is crucial because every time one of your recipients add the badge to their licenses and certification section on LinkedIn, the company ID ensures that your organization is automatically pre-selected as an issuer. To add your LinkedIn company ID in Certifier, go to the Settings, Issuer, General Information. There you'll see a field for a LinkedIn company ID. To find this ID, open your company's LinkedIn page and copy the 8-digit number from the URL being logged in as an admin. If you don't have the admin access to your company's LinkedIn profile, simply reach out to a colleague who does and ask them to share the ID with you. Once copied, paste it into Certifier and save the changes. The next step is to make sure that LinkedIn sharing is enabled for the badge you created. You'll find this option in the group settings, with Group being a place that stores all of your badge details, including its name, design, and advanced configurations like those I'm describing right now. And by the way, if your goal is to maximize visibility specifically on LinkedIn, you can even disable the other social media options, leaving your recipients with LinkedIn as the only choice. It's a bit aggressive, but very effective if LinkedIn is your main channel. Finally, while still in the group settings, you can set up a default LinkedIn share message. This text pre-populates the LinkedIn post when your recipients share their badge. Write something celebratory and tag-worthy, like the example you can see on the screen. And don't forget to include hashtags and mentions that relate to your company and to the skill that your certification represents. These small details will boost the discoverability and significantly increase the reach of every badge shared. If you have multiple badge earners, Certifier allows for bulk badge generation using a spreadsheet. This spreadsheet should contain at least 2 columns, one for the recipient names and the other one for recipient emails. These 2 fields are essential for generating and distributing badges. You can use any spreadsheet tool you prefer, like Excel, Google Sheets, or something else. Just make sure you include these 2 columns. Once your list is ready, download it in a standard format like CSV or XLSX, and then upload it to Certifier. To do that, click on Issue Credentials on your group's card or hit this button in the Certifier's Credentials tab. Make sure to select the Spreadsheet Upload option and choose the group that this badge represents. Next comes the Mappings tab. You'll need to connect the columns from your spreadsheet with the right attributes in Certifier. So the column labeled recipient name maps to the recipient name attribute, and the column labeled recipient email maps to the recipient email attribute. After mapping, you'll move on to the preview step. Here you can check how the badge will look for each recipient and also preview the email that will be sent out. As you'll see, the email is fully branded. It carries your company's logo, your brand colors, and the custom copy. It's also sent from your own email domain with a sender name that you can configure. It goes without saying that you should align the email template with the badge design and make sure that both of them reflect your company's overall branding, from colors to the tone of voice, so that everything feels consistent with your website and your organization's identity. Here is a quick tip. Use the email copy not just to deliver the badge, but to encourage your recipients to share it on LinkedIn. A celebratory line or even a small perk like the discount on your next training or course can go a long way in boosting visibility and engagement. And that's it! With a simple upload, you've just generated and distributed LinkedIn certification badges in bulk. Now, let's switch perspectives and see how badge delivery looks from the recipient side. As a recipient, I've just received this email, the one we saw a couple of minutes ago. It's fully branded with the issuer's logo and colors, and even personalized with my name through custom attributes. When I click on the main button, I'm redirected to the digital version of my badge. As you can see, everything here is also consistent with the issuer's branding: the logo, the color scheme, even the website domain. From here, I can easily preview all of the details of my badge, download it or verify it in one click. To share this badge on LinkedIn, I press Share Your Award, and among all of the sharing options, the LinkedIn one stands out just right at the top. When clicking on it, I'm redirected to a new tab with the LinkedIn post draft already prepared for me. The draft comes with a celebratory caption we set up earlier and a direct link to my badge. All that's left for me is to hit post, and my success is instantly shared with my network. I can also choose to add this badge to my LinkedIn profile. To do that, let's choose the Add to LinkedIn Profile option, and now we are redirected to a new tab where you can set up all of the remaining details. And notice here, the issuing organization is already pre-selected thanks to the LinkedIn company ID that we configured earlier. The whole process is seamless and frictionless. As a recipient, I don't need to create accounts, log in, or adjust the profile settings. I just open my badge, choose where I want to share it, and it's done. And here's one more thing. Your recipients can also embed their LinkedIn certification badge into Gmail or Outlook signatures. We prepared a separate video that walks you through that process, linked in the description. As an issuer, you'll be able to see in real time how your recipients are interacting with issued badges thanks to Certifier Analytics. In the Analytics tab, you'll get a clear picture of how your badges are performing. How many were shared on LinkedIn, how many were added to LinkedIn profiles, and what the overall engagement looks like. You'll also find the top promoter section. These are the recipients whose posts generated the highest number of views. When someone's badge attracts a lot of attention, it's a strong signal that their network is highly engaged and often closely aligned with your target audience. As you've just seen, creating and distributing LinkedIn certification badge doesn't have to be a struggle. We've also recently published a detailed step-by-step guide on our blog on the same topic, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description down below. So if you're thinking about launching your first LinkedIn badge program, you should definitely check out Certifier. Our digital badge platform allows you to easily create, send, and manage digital badges. Sign up today at certifier.io/digital badges and issue up to 250 LinkedIn certification badges at no cost. And lastly, remember, every digital badge on LinkedIn is a mini billboard for your program, so make sure you make them count. If this video helped, check out our other videos on digital badges. Thank you for being with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.